my people, I'm back again with another video. Everywhere they hot, it don't burst. The matter when we dey settle now about this Tonto Dike matter, so the matter not let settle. So everywhere they hot for IG, not be small thing. For inside the matter now, Tonto Dike, he don't talk this thing before. Nobody believe am. When he come talk say a husband not the ask of them, not they take care of his son, nothing, nobody can believe him. He talk and say a husband he get affair with Rusi. Now he make am not the ask of them, the ask of wetin they eat, they pay bill, nothing. You know, even they care for his son again as he take they care for his son before. Say he leave them over 2 months. You know, even ask of them. He can confront a husband. A husband said they not get anything. Even Rusi, they say they not get anything when attached them. Say they be brothers and sisters. Okay, for inside now, Rusi can still come out. He can't come out. He can't do his own video. Say he not get anything when he attach it with Churchy. Say it with Churchy now brothers and sisters now he they be. Say it's rotating where brothers and sisters go they chop migrimo, they chop the tomatoes. Say na prohibited, say na sin. Say they no fit do that kind of a thing. Okay now, for now, wetin come dey sup now for inside IG, nobody believe am. The thing shock them. It shock everybody. For inside now, for this Valentine Day, na be Rusi birthday. He come post to he come dey show him engagement ring. Say he don engage o. Everybody come shock. He don't engage with 2 second man. Everybody come shock. The thing come shocklize them. Say who engage this girl? Who engage this girl? Now they come find out say na Churchy. Now he engage Rusi. Now they come attack am o. Many people, many fans, even Toto fans, everybody come attack and say this thing as it happened before, you can't talk say now your brothers nothing went between two of una, say una be brothers and sisters. Now it can't give you ring. Now you can't take the ring, can't they use until they flash everybody. Why you can't do this kind of a thing? He can't say thank God or say he value am, he appreciate Churchy, he value am where he love am so much. Some fans come they write say this girl, you are a very dangerous woman being. Why you go collect another person husband? Now so you be, you can't snatch her. Come on for Tonto Dike hand. As they talk and before nobody believe. Now everybody can believe. Many comments just they come. For inside now bestie come. Bestie come write it own. Make Tonto Dike may no mind wetin they talk. May just move on your own. May no gossip. May you not gossip at all. Okay now, Tonto Dike don't even talk say he don't forgive them. The Igbola, he no wan use that Igbola again. He don't move on. For inside now, Churchy can still post video when for the inside sea. They drive boat. For inside now, Rusi can comment. He can comment. He say, I cherish you so much, baby. I love you. I appreciate you. I value you. Oh. Now they comment for start again. Oh. People come they talk say, I beg go. and men I leave them, make they settle their case. Say the matter is too heavy. Honestly, the matter not let settle. Some fans now, some in people industry movie, when come they post now, when come they talk say happy birthday, when they wish am happy birthday, come even they give am name again. Happy birthday. You are with big thing already. Fans can't still come there, they can't still attack am. Many people come tell am say the girl wetin he do, say the thing is very wrong. You know, even dey right when you go collect another man husband everywhere. Na so that they attack Lucy, they attack am, they attack am, and they attack am. Na him one guy come tell them say make dem no dey insult am again. Say wetin happen don happen. Make dem leave Lucy alone with him big thing. As far as say he value the 2 seconds, him brother, because he use mouth take talk am say na him brother. He no fit connect him with him brother, chop that thing. No let that one, no let that place people forget problem with Rusina. That Igbola, I will say Rusi not talk that thing. You go chop the Igbola na chop. You go enter where. As far as say that time when the thing take cause problem, you can't use your mouth to talk say na your brother, na this one, na this one. Na there people for the attack you. If not, therefore not they attack you. Therefore leave on a more on a settle on a case by on a self. The thing very, very shock. It is shock industry people everywhere. Na Rusi and Chochi. This thing is too funny. I don't feel laugh. 2 seconds man. 2 seconds man. People grab him. Rusi grab and put for house. Oh, Rusi, I carry nyash for you, shall. You really try. You grab your brother, enter house. How the girls nowadays, ne? Girls nowadays, who not fear girls, eh? Hey, who not fear girls? I pity for that person. Women to get style. If they collect something for your hand, they will say, na your brother. I not gossip for you. Now wait I just I say I just use my mouth to shoot put for the talk so, because the talk not let us, you not let us settle at all. You not let settle. Now the talk we can't settle for year now, but the talk still they go on more. You not let settle. May we just leave the case for year. My fans, I beg, may na watch the video, may na see where they for engage Rusi, when for the flash the engagement ring where Chochi give fam, okay? Shey una don watch the engagement ring when Rusi carry for hand now. It dey shock everybody. It dey shock everybody with the ring. Not be small thing o. And this ring, this thing where you use to shock us now. They say it don't take when they get affair almost 2 years. Now with the Chochi, they don't marry something like that. Now so I take here and for IG say they don't marry. Tete. Now I can't bring her come out for public. Sure now don't watch her. On our bye bye. I leave on a comment. Wait on a think on my comment section below. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. I so much appreciate you all. Bye bye.